This is Shop Talk with Buck. I am Buck, and welcome to my shop. Hope y'all having a wonderful day. I just thought I'd chime in here and get y'all up to date. I know I missed a week or so, but I have been working on a shadow box for a wristwatch for my son's grandfather, which would be my father-in-law. But anyway, he gave him his watch, and I made a little shadow box for it. And so that's what's been going on this week. But last week, we had a little scare. We got chickens down here bottom the hill. Let's see, it was late Thursday a week ago. My wife made it back, finally got back up to the basement. As far as she could go, her legs started swelling, and anyway, the next morning we went to the doctor. Well, they did a ultrasound and they found a clot in her left leg. Of course, they was getting kind of concerned. You can tell their countenance changed when they seen the clot. You know, as long as the nurses and doctors don't get nervous, I don't usually get too nervous, but they were getting nervous. They was afraid it was going to break loose and make it, if it ever made it to her lung, that would usually don't survive that. So they put her on some pretty good blood thinners. And they said the first 24 hours, the guy, they didn't want her to do much moving or, just to let that blood thinner get in her system. So how we did that, so that was Friday. We got back home. We just didn't do a whole lot. The whole time she got up to go to the bathroom, Well, Monday, they decided she had some stents put in some time ago, and they decided to call the vascular, the one that did the stents. Well, they wanted to see her. Their ultrasound was a little different. I don't know if it's operator or they got better equipment, or I don't know. But anyway, the doctor didn't go up high enough. Now things are really getting serious. So we had this plan to go by, that Firehouse sub. We done had it ready to hit send. We didn't go by and pick it up. No, that didn't happen. We went right straight from there to the hospital. They put her in the hospital, and they sure enough put her on some blood thinners on a drip. But anyway, she had a procedure. They had to go and get it. So by Monday evenings, we was able to breathe a sigh of relief. But still, they don't want her, they wanted a certain amount of time there before she did a whole lot. But it take a lot out of you. So we're spending this week getting her stamina built back up. And it's getting better. She got where she can go a little bit now, almost back to normal. However, her leg went back down, the color's back. I mean, yeah, we kind of dodged one there. That thing could have ended a little different, and I'm proud it didn't. So, needless to say, that's why I missed the video last week. So things are going better now. My daughter come up here and they're gonna go shopping, so it's better now. Yeah, it's better now. So I just thought I had a few minutes to come down and kind of get y'all up to speed. However, like I say, I shut the video up on the Solder Solutions channel and went ahead and uploaded that, and then I just kind of took a week off. So I come back down here this Thursday and finished it up. Did a little, you know, that video was much shorter. It's almost an hour. If you bring the details out in a video, that thing can get long. So I did part 2. It was 25 minutes. But anyway, I did get her done. You have projects, and I know you talk to any woodworker or anything like that, you have these projects that stick out in your mind that they've done. I've done some stuff, a lot of stuff I was proud of, but there's 2 that stick out in my mind. I did a hidden wooden hinge box out of curly maple and purple heart. And I put foam in it, and I turned 2 pins where they'd set it, and they were turned out of curly maple. That and this are the things that stick out. They really turned out well. Of course, I am my own worst critic, but that's 2 projects that I've done that I'm really proud of. They just really just turned out well, if you know what I mean. So I will leave links to them 3 videos, one with the box and part 1 and part 2 of the shadow box. If y'all want to go check them out, I'll leave them in the description. But if y'all if y'all get wood, y'all take it easy, be careful, and I tell you what, I will catch you on the next one, and maybe we can get back to normal. Summer's here. I gotta go mow the yard now, so if I don't go ahead and mow it, I'll wind up having to cut it for hay or bush hog or something, because it's getting ready. So the rain, the wind, sunshine, man, got that grass growing. So I will catch you on the next one, and y'all be safe. Okay, we're audio sync. Shop Talk, Scene 1, Take 1, April 18th. This is a Friday. My father-in-law give it to my son. You know, that would make him his grandfather. So what I done, that is just about fell off there. Golly bum. Well, let's do that again. We're going to take 2 and just keep it rolling. What you say there? Come on, come on.